Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 12 students and the topic of discussion is determinants. In this video, we will be focusing on solutions to previous year exam problems which have come in CBSE board exam. In the first problem, we are given a matrix A, square matrix A of order 3. If det A is equal to 5, we need to find adjoint A. We know the relation between adjoint A equal to det A n minus 1, where n is order of matrix, which is given as 3. So we just substitute the values. So adjoint A will be equal to 5. Det A is given as 5 power 3 minus 1. 3 is the order of the matrix. So this is equal to 5 square equal to 25. So option C is correct. Now in this problem we are given if A and B are two matrices, square matrices of order 3 with det A equal to 3 and det B equal to 5, we need to find determinant of 2AB. We know one formula, like if k is some scalar, AB is equal to k power n det A det B. Determinant A, determinant. What is k is given here? N is the order of the matrix. So we substitute those values. So we can get 2AB. This is to be determined. So k is 2, n is 3 into det A det B. So this is 8. Det A is given as 3. This is given as 5. So into 3 into 5 equal to 120. This is the answer. If A equal to KB, where A and B are two square matrices of order n and k, then we have to find, and k is a scalar, then we have just shown that det A will be equal to k power n into det B. This we have just seen. Now in this problem, two determinants are given with equal to sign. So my request is that do not compare these values. These are there only for matrices. For determinants, we have to solve it. So we solve the LHS 2x square. We multiply these two, minus 5 into 12, 60, equal to 6 into 3, 18, minus of minus 5 into 4, minus 20. So 2x square equal to 60 plus 18 plus 20. 2x square equal to 98. X square equal to 49. X equal to plus minus 7. So the correct answer is C. If A equal to Aij is a 3 by 3 diagonal matrix, means only diagonal elements are there, all other elements are 0. So how do we proceed? Then we need to find det A. Let us first write the matrix A. A equal to, the first element is 1, the other element is 5, the third element is minus 2. So all other elements are 0. So we can get det A 1 into 500 minus 2. All other elements, these two elements are 0. So we will get plus 0 plus 0. So this will be 5 into minus 2, minus 10. So determinant A is, for this diagonal matrix, is minus 10. B is the correct answer. If A and B are invertible matrices of order 3 by 3 such that det A equal to 4 and determinant AB inverse equal to 1 over 20, then we need to determine B. So we are given A B inverse equal to 1 by 20, but this is equal to 1 over AB, determinant equal to 1 over 20, implies that AB equal to 20. Now that AB equal to that A, that B, this is 20, that A is 4, so 4 into that B, so that B equal to 20 by 4 equal to 5. So D is the correct answer. If A is a 3 by 3 matrix, invertible matrix, show that for any scalar not equal to 0, we need to show this first. Then we can find 3A inverse. So how to proceed this? So we can write this as KA. Let us multiply this with 1 by K A inverse. So this can be written as K into 1 by K A inverse. So this is I, this will also get cancelled, so this will result in a identity matrix. When a matrix, when do we get a identity matrix? When a matrix and its inverse is multiplied, we get a identity matrix. So we can say this is the inverse of this matrix. That's what we wanted to prove. Hence implies Ka minus 1 inverse of this is equal to half K A minus 1. That's what we have, these two matrices whose product is I, similar to this. So one is the inverse of the other. Now we can use this formula. This formula itself to get 3A inverse. We put K equal to 3. So 3A inverse will be equal to 1 over 3A inverse. It is given here. So we need to find A inverse. So this is an exercise for the reader. I will write the, like, that A will be 4. That A will be coming to 4, which is not equal to 0. Hence A inverse exists. Similarly, you can do adjoint A, and adjoint A is given by this matrix. The student is requested to do it by himself. If he doesn't understand how to get this, he must refer to my earlier videos. Minus 1, 1, 3, and A inverse will be 1 by 4 adjoint A. 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3. So we can get 3A inverse equal to 1 over 3 of A inverse. So this will become 1 by 12. 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3. This is the answer. If A and B are square matrices of same order such that AB equal to A and BA equal to B, then we need to find A square plus B square. So let us try this. A square equal to A into A we can write. What is A? A is given as AB. So AB into A. So this can be written as A into BA. But what is BA is B. This is equal to AB. But AB is given as A. So this is equal to A. So A square, we got A square equal to A. Similarly, we can get B square equal to B. Adding these two, A square plus B square equal to A plus B. So A is the correct answer. Now again in this problem we need to find the determinant here, then equate it to minus 57. So we can easily do, let us do minus 1 x 3x 1 3 minus 2 1 1 0 3x plus 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 4 1x 0 3. So we multiply this, minus 3x square plus 3 minus 6x plus 12 equal to, this is equal to minus 57, equal to minus 57. So we can simplify this and get it as x square plus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. So x equal to plus minus minus 2 plus minus b square is 4 plus 24 plus 96 by 2a by 2. This is 94, 96 plus 4 is 100, square root that is 10. So we'll get this as minus 2 plus minus 10 by 2. So this will give roots as minus 6 and 4. Yes, but we need to find the product of the possible values of x. So we need to find product of these two. So product equal to minus 24. So A is the correct answer. So in this problem, A and B are given as two square matrices of order 3 and that A is given, that B is given. We need to find that minus 6AB. Again, this is in the same format, KAB equal to K power n that A that B, where K is some scalar and n is the order of the matrix, which is 3 here. So we can write here minus 6AB. This is what we need to find. So K is minus 6. This is power 3. That A is 3. That B is minus 4. So this is minus 216. This is minus 216 into 3 into minus 4. So we can get this as, on multiplication 2 minus are there. We will get plus 2592. Friends, with this we conclude this video. Please like and subscribe my channel so that in future more videos can be released to you instantaneously. Thank you very much, friends.